In your shop, there are pieces of critical data all around you. But most of it is not being used to inform operations because it is not being captured. If you are still using spreadsheets to create quotes and plotting huge job lists to hang on the wall, then you have an opportunity to start picking up the scraps of data flying around like spare change and invest them in a system that will take your shop to the next level. What do you use to verify the accuracy of your quotes? Are you overcharging and being uncompetitive? Are you undercharging and losing profit? Do you compare your quotes to what actually happened in each job, and validate assumptions about your quoted costs? Can you look at each job, and compute the total profit, or loss, for that distinct job, including all of its engineering changes? What if you could drill down to compare your actual costs with your estimates? If you could pinpoint the exact source of an extra cost, down to the work cell. In real time, in the middle of a job, you can see that a labor group is not performing as expected. And then, do something about it way before the delivery date. Eliminate inaccurate quoting. Build a knowledge base so anyone in the shop can quote quickly and confidently. The system turns your data into information you can act on to solve problems in the shop. Track jobs from anywhere, from the central command room of your own database. Have the early warning system alert you, before an issue causes a missed delivery date. Give your team access to the same information at the same time. If I can show you how to access this kind of information, would that be helpful for managing jobs in your shop? If you could know each of your job's profit in real time, would that relieve stress? What if you were wearing fewer hats, would that make your life easier? Eliminating bottlenecks due to missing material, would stop you from waking up in the middle of the night thinking about work. To do faster quoting and be more confident that your quotes are priced right, would you benefit from such a solution? What if you could get the information you need, to avert disaster? What if you never have to say "I don't know," ever again? Would you be interested in learning more about this system? TSTracker Pro combines all key aspects of shop management in a single platform, offering toolmakers predictable profits and on-time delivery, driven by standardized quoting, and job cost tracking. TST solutions are built to solve problems unique to the tooling industry. Why wait to take your shop to the next level? Create more competitive quotes and increase profitability. Act now. Call TST today. Get Tracker Pro.